Hi, Karen. So the site looks great, and I appreciate you respecting the fact that teachers are probably survey overloaded. So when I was reading a lot of the questions and they had just like yes, no, at first I was like, I kind of want to hear more of what they really think. But you did kind of leave some open ended questions, which I think is good too. But when I read the questions again, I think the yes no is good. It forces them to think about is it yes or no. So I liked that. And then in this question, it said, would you prefer to learn this material in a face to face setting or virtually? So I think it might be nice to see if they liked the blended aspect of it too. So maybe word it a little differently to include a blended environment or something. I don't know, maybe add like that part down there or something to the question. But I think your questions go along with what you want to really evaluate from your briefing paper. So I think this looks good. Probably going to steal a few ideas and looks good. Looks like a good start.